Gawa tayong video natin. Good. Preparing. Yeah.
You have long legs.
Your legs too long.
Here you go. We are hiking up to, what is it? Sulphur Mountain.
Mountain and Banff.
And Banff.
Right.
Gondola.
Welcome to Japan.
So
Japan. Yeah. Japan. Surplus.
we are like 6.k kilometers going up to the top, to the viewpoint of Sulphur Mountain. So let's see how long will it take. Approximately 2 hours and a half, something like that. Yeah. Woo! Picture.
Si Marin din kasi si Marin din ano yan, forma yan.
Picture.
Passion.
Paano ba?
Oh, alaga na G.
Hindi, video rin. Video to have it.
Yeah, video and...
Lalagyan natin to sa YouTube.
Sa ano nang magano?
What you guys can say about our hike?
I'm tired.
You guys tired
Very
already?
old.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to BAM. My name is Joseph Singh Pano. I'm your ambassador for today. On behalf of my team, Dream Team, who always sleeping, forgot to wake up. Ahoo! Like triple.
Double.
Double. Ayan. Like triple, okay? No.
Yeah, you can swap. Yeah. Yeah. It's like a long weekend for you. Yeah.
Ayan, ang gondola. Right there.
Welcome to Amazon.
YYC6.
Ayan po. Ang gondola.
Because I cannot reach.
That's nice. Hi! Hello.
Hi.
Oh, that's a Bow River right there. That's 3 more kilometers to reach the peak. And here's our trouble buddy.
Welcome to Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Nag-is na ba doon? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Marikoy, how are you?
Tired.
You're doing good? Oo. Ito na yung mountain. We're going up all the way. Tanong mo kay Peter. There you go, right there. No, that's not. That's Minnewanka. Lake Minnewanka. Right there. Probably that's Minnewanka Mountain. I don't know. Okay, let's go.
Everybody say hey.
Hey! Ayan, oh, busy sila sa kaka-video. Three more kilometers to go to complete this goal.
Oh, yung paknay. Legal si Utoy.
Ito sana. Oh. Ina.
Welcome to Amazon. Why waste this?
TikTok ka na eh. TikTok.
Jody.
Yeah. Lahat kayo dyan. It's already here.
Let's make our own.
Yeah.
Hindi na ako pag-buo ng tao ah. Here's your 5 minutes of Justin Trudeau. Oh, let's go first. Edna need to go washroom.
Oh, let's go there. Mariko, tara dun sa washroom.
Looks like I can't. Yeah, looks like I'm stuck here.
Pumasok yung ice sa likod ko. Ay!
Yeah.
Beran? Ganda, no? Yes, we made it to the top. Itaas mo yung kamay mo. Doon kayo. Dali. Doon kayo.
Isa tayo picture.
Dali, doon muna.
Dalawa kayo.
Hindi, kayo muna. Binibidyo ko.
Kasi.
Dali, doon muna kayo. Tapos pipicture ko. Go, ano? Good job, we made it. Yeah. Taas nyo yung kamay nyo.
Ay, basa eh.
Ani? 1, 2, 3.
Maganda talaga kasi nagumuha.
Sige, kwento pa.
Naka-free kami sa gondola.
Yes,
Paano din yun? $70 each.
But how much, how's your legs naman?
Maybe tomorrow we can feel the pain.
Maybe on Monday because they beat you.
Look at that. Ah. Hindi nga. Honey, look at that. We're going up there. Having a hot chocolate by the Sulphur Mountain. Tapos natapon pa. Mari ko, huwag ka dyan maupo. Just in case na matapunan. Doon ka sa kabila. Doon ka. We have our whipping cream. On
Welcome to Gondola Cafe.
What is on top over there?
I'll find out.
Later. We have to eat first. Oh, there's more banana bread. There's a cookies. Oh. Whipping cream on top. Ito kasi baka mainitan, so nagdala ako ng filter ng coffee. Kasi sabi ko, asan yung filter? Here, the filter sa coffee. Para just...
Meron ka bang coffee?
Hindi, kasi nga baka ito matunaw. Kaya sabi ko, yung filter ng coffee. Right? Ba, mainit ah. Yun oh. Kumukulo na. Kumukulo na. Open mo nga, open mo nga. Oh, nice. I think may dala akong yung sa Amazon.
Ito, matutunaw yan.
Kaya nga meron akong dalang filter ng coffee. Oh, pata. That's nice, eh? Ay, alam mo, meron pang viewpoint over there. Pwede tayong pumunta yun, no, sa kabilang side. Punta tayo doon after nating... You're now alive? Oh, they're still alive.
Oh, here. This one. Peter. Peter was here.
Oh, nice. Tag dito, portable stove.
Bakit? Saan ka?
Kaya nga, ayan, nakulo na. Ay, che. Tapos, lagyan mo ng whipping cream on top nito.
Sarap nun.
Ay, siya ka.
Tapos ito yung view mo.
Ay, siya ka.
Dito na ako titira.
Dapat ice cream na natin.
Ayun, yung whipping cream. Parang ice cream na rin siya. Itataas. Lalagay mo dun sa chocolate.
Marshmallow.
Oh, ay, siya ka.
Oh, we got whipping cream.
Yeah, whipping cream is in. Say hi, Mr. Louie. Hello, Marikoy. How are you, Marikoy? You're sitting pretty. Hello, Joseph. Oh, picture.
Ano yung warmer sa kamay? Parang yung kamay ko, ano?
Ayan o, meron ako dun sa bag ko, Marikoy. Andito lang sa gilid.
Meron kami doon marami.
Wala na kumakita sa paligid puti.
Yeah nga. Maganda sana sunset, ano? Over here.
Hindi ako lang, nag-snow.
Ay! Sabi. Ay. Enough na. Patay na. Sayang yung water.
Hindi natin na ano.
But
It's okay.
it's okay.
You
Okay.
can add even more water.
No more water. No more water. No more water. Okay.
Like you.
Swiss Miss chocolate yan. What the?
If you like you. So like you na do.
Si Raulo. Aray ko.
Oh yeah. Here's to our it is. Good job, Peter. Good job. Good job, Joseph and Peter. Good job, Joseph and Peter. Good job.
Look at your nose.
Peter. That was
You're the word.
Cheers.
I think it okay. We'll bring an ice cream maker. Next time we did the party, we'll give them, okay? We go get it and quick.
Oh yeah.
Kahit man lang boto
Cheers! Hey, cheers! Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers!
You eat chicken feet with them? You have to. You have to eat Adidas.
Yeah, that's all of them.
We call it custom Adidas. Adidas, right? Adidas, right?
Get it.
Why na kami ito? Grabe. Dito yung say grabe. Every year, it's so nice weather dito, yeah. For sure, we all gotta go down the gondola. Look, Peter, there's a full guard. I see those.
Pwede man tayo dyan magkape. This is the...
Meron na patakit ang ganyan, mas malaki.
Alin?
Yun, mas malaki naman. Yung pinapatong ng
Na pangapaluto? Mas malaki pa dyan.
o yung ano, yung pinaka ano, yung pinaka
Ang gas? O mayroon pa mas malaki talaga. Mamaya ate.
matibay. Talagang di pa ginawang dirty banana ito. Nahanap to nung natrabaho ko nung sa bar. Yung ano na yung chocolate tapos yung saging. Pag yan ay blender mo, tapos lagyan mo ng whipping cream babaw na sarap.
Saging? Oh, tapos hot chocolate?
Kahit yung ano, yung mismo.
How's your hot chocolate with whipping cream?
Mamaya pang ano eh.
It's good. Perfect.
Ginagano ko na ano yan.
Look at your, there's a snow in your nose.
Nagbar ka rin? Saan?
How are you, Maricoy? You look so comfy there.
Feel cold.
Anong ano mo?
Picture lang ito dyan. Picture! Picture! Picture, picture! Look at her, yung ilong ni Peter talagang nagstay dun yung ano, yung snow. Sobrang
Peter, the
taas.
white-nosed reindeer.
Grabe yung sipong ko ah. Wala ka.
Wala ko nung malaki your TikTok. Kaya pala nag-save. Nabibili ko lang yun, hindi talaga ako nung ano. Kaya lang gusto ko nagpabili na Pilipinas yung thermos eh.
Ay, pero mas lalo.
Thermos sa atin. Yung thermos sa
So,
atin.
ano talaga yun? Subok talaga yun.
Matagal yun. Eh, hindi na magdadala si Ate G ng thermos.
Dekada yun.
Magdadala ba si Ate G ng thermos?
Pero mas pero mas iba sa Pilipinas.
Baka mabilisan ako kay Ate G thermos. Lagay lang may tutubig. Yung ginagamit nila nanay pag nagka-camping. Ang tagal ng buhay na may tutubig na yun. Kahit nasa bundok ka na, pag gano'n.
Hindi pwede pala nakaupo. Nag-red. Na-extreme.
Ibang kulay, oh.
Mga journal.
Kaya nga, nag-stay yung isla sa ilong ko eh.
Live camera, action. Peter, acting.
Nothing.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Here.
That's good.
Yeah, was it whipping cream or no?
That's why I thought, what is it?
Di mo meron pang ano yan, parang di mabasa ng ulan.
Oo, meron.
Meron kami ng video.
Oo nga ba, dapat ilagay ko pa lang.
Hindi na, di na maulan eh.
Hindi, baka. Bago tayo ng bago.
Ano naman yun, weatherproof ah. Weatherproof.
Oo nga pala, meron. Kailangan.
Kaya lang, hindi ko na may lalagay yung ano ko pag nilagay ko yung takip. Yung aking hawakan. Kasi mako-cover lahat eh. Alright, alright. Welcome to Kananaskis. Jodip and Peter was here. Masarap pag noodles. Dapat pala ganito nagdata ng lugaw, no?
Hindi, sinabi ko nga kayo. Sabi ni Louie sa akin, sabihin ko nga sa inyo.
Yun ano?
Noodles? Mas maganda ang ano. Lomi sana.
Hindi Batangas.
Hindi, kahit hindi na Batangas. Kasi pagka ganito eh, bawal lang malagkit masyado. Baka mag-stay na lalamunan. Yung iba nilalagyan ng konting sabaw yun para mag ano, may higop ng konti.
Pero pag ang Batangas habang hindi luminit.
Cornstarch kasi yun eh.
Dapat ano,
Cornstarch yun, parang ano yun, parang kang gumawa ng ano, gumawa ng maha. Habang tumatagal yun, prepare mo. Normal lang kami gumawa ng logo maraming atay. Alright, Peter, alright. Super slow-mo. Super slow-mo.
Ito, ilagay ko na lang dito ng bata. Ay, meron pa to.
Yeah, bitch.
Tapos ko na. Hindi na nga. Bilis na lumamig eh. Nakatulo lang si Pulpong.
Here's a nose.
Hindi ko alam na ito.
Maganda yun ang lagay ng kapit.
Ano?
Ha?
Nakakita ka ba?
Ay, may wet tissue pala ako.
Meron ka tayo?
Yes. Naalala ko.
Lasing ko na. Iuyan na pala. Napasok na kayo.
Peter, take photo. Shout out. Shout out. Ano?
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to all the associate in the YYC4. This is your BJ Jodip Singh Panu. Goodbye. Signing out. May ganda na yun, oh. Ganda na yun.
Dance. Dance muna.
Puta.
Nagbumuro.
Puta.
You have a lot of more things in your pocket, Peter, yeah? You have a gun here. Everything here. Wala na kayo. Kapagpag mo lang. Saan ka natutulog eh? Waterproof man eh.
You want your sandwich?
Oh no, not yet. Saan dito ko nakalay?
Sama rin, no? Dito lang.
Honey, can you stop please? Hindi na makita yung ano, no? Tapos take up, magpa-picture tayo ditong apat, tayong 5. Diyan, sas.
Doon sa may ilaw, doon. Akit tayo doon sa may ilaw, bakal.
Hindi pwede.
Ngayon, parang kailangan ko na yung place ngayon.
Ha?
Kailangan na yung place.
Wala kang suot, yan lang?
Normal. Tinanggal ko at mabigat, saka ano.
Oh. Tapos pa-picture tayo dito sa taas. And then let's go down. Ha?
Dati pumunta kami dito, wala pa daw mga Pinas.
Oh yeah. Wow. Let's take picture here. I will set up the camera. No. Si Peter nagahapatad. Okay, take picture na tayo dito. Cool, let's go.
Does this go up any higher?
We have to trust it, Tani. Look at that, the trail. I think this is the trail we hike right there. See?
Yeah.
Wow! Grabe pala, ano?
Is there any hikers?
Grabe pala.
Ayun mo?
Ito ata yung trail eh. Oo nga, ito nga yung trail.
Yun na yung trail.
No.
Oh, no? Is that the trail?
Yeah, it is. Ano mo na? Look at Tani. His car is already on. He uses a special key. It's already on.
Nice and toasty warm. Yeah.
Yeah. How's legs? My legs is
Sore?
a little,
Sorry?
a little bit.
Get a massage tomorrow. Have you there? Or hot bath. Hot bath. Hot bath, yeah.
Yeah, mag-soak ka sa ano, sa,
Epsom.
with Epsom salt.
That's what helped us the last time.
Yeah. Edna and Joseph is right there. They are right behind us.
Ayan. Like natin.
Oh, ang galing.
Pero kaya natin na ano yun?
But kaya rin natin ibumaba, kaya lang nag-iis nun eh. Baka tayo, tsaka pagod
Saka
na.
kaya rin natin mabilisin yun.
Oo.
Kwentuhan lang naman natin.
I don't think they really didn't care. I think they were more worried about getting your picture taken. They didn't care.
What is this hotel? Is that hotel? I mean, this one?
Probably the